Hello everyone, myself Parnav Sengupta, and today I'll be helping you to build your first AI agent from scratch. And you do not need to know any sort of coding. It's a beginner friendly tutorial and we are going to use Zapier as a platform to build this AI agent. Before I move forward, I have 12 plus years of experience in IT industry, and currently I'm working as a data analytics lead and an AI practitioner. I also have experience with multiple MNCs, and I have also worked in India and United Kingdom. So I have seen multiple transformations, and this AI shift currently is happening right now. I am seeing the world transforming towards it, and people who are adaptable and who can transform themselves will survive in future. So it is very important for you to learn AI and how to build AI agents, how to use AI on your day-to-day life. So let's try to understand what we are going to build today. It's a very simple workflow. Once you understand the basics, you will be able to build more complex workflows on top of that. Okay, so today we are going to stay up to date on AI related information. So I'm going to make an AI agent which will go to the internet, will search across different websites, and it will publish me top 5 news or innovations on AI, and it will drop me an email every day at 8 p.m. So as you can see in my screen, I have logged into Zapier. So I have used my email ID to log into Zapier. Now you want to create some AI agent. So you click on this create option and you will see that there is an option called agents. Once you click on that agent, it will ask for some information like what you want to build. Now here you will see that I'll be creating some workflow. Okay, so now you can see that I have come into this picture, and you can just remove this copilot segment. Now what I want, first I want to add a trigger. So this trigger is your schedule sort of thing. So let's say I want to schedule it, and I want to schedule it every day. Okay, and every day, let's say 8 p.m. at night. Okay, so you have added this trigger. So this is the first workflow, like it now knows like when to shoot that email. Okay, now I have given it an instruction that you are my new AI news assistant. So search for all the latest AI news for the last 24 hours, and these are all the platforms of the sources which I have given, and I have asked it to go through it and to give me some summary and why it matters, some link so that I can re-verify if I want. Okay, and just some trained, and it will prepare an email and it will shoot me, right? So you can see that I have also given that format the output in a clean markdown suitable for email. Okay, now what I need it to send me an email, right? So for that I need to add a tool. Once I click on this tool, I will try to find email by Zapier. So now click on this email by Zapier, and here you can see that this is a set outbound email. So I have selected a send outbound email. So it will come from Zapier's SMTP server to me, and you can see that I have given this information, right? Now I want to configure this because definitely I need to set my email ID, and in case if I want any customized name, you can set all these values by yourself. Okay. So here I'll be providing my email ID, daily AI newsletter, right? So you are configuring like how the email will come to you. Okay, so here I also want to give like Orbit AI, which is the name of my channel, right? Body you are giving, attachment, let the agent generate, because there is an intelligent model which is working. So I want to leverage AI for this research and to generate some values by applying its intelligence. So not everything I will be setting from myself, right? So here you can set that from name should be Orbit AI agent AI newsletter. Okay, good, and that's it. I'll save it. So now how does my workflow looks? So it has a schedule for every day. It has an instruction which is nothing but actually to do all sort of research, analysis and discovery, and to prepare that content for me. And in the third section you can see that it will send all those information to me over email, and it will be an daily daily thing, right? So what I would do, I would just check my email every day, and I will be up to date with all the AI related innovations and the news that is currently going on. So this will keep me AI relevant, right? And you can understand how much time it is saving for me, because if I had to do this research every day by myself, it definitely would take for hours, right? But these AI agents are so fast and so quick, and these platforms are so helpful that even a beginner can set up simple AI agents or complex AI agents based on the needs, and they can save hours of their life, right? Now, once this is done, you can just do an agent preview, right? So that will set like it's sort of testing, right? So let's test this. Let's click on this agent preview. Okay, so I want to test this agent, and I want to see whether it is correctly doing all this research and it is sending me the email, or whether this workflow is working fine or not. So now you can see that it's running and it's generating a text, and very soon I should receive an email. Now you can see that it has done all the processing and it is asking for an approval, but please note that this is only as I'm testing this agent, but while you actually deploy it in production, so basically it will run without any approval, okay? Like when it will follow your schedule trigger, right? So let me approve this, and then I should be expecting an email very soon. So you can see that action processed and action completed. So basically newsletter successfully sent to my email ID. Now let's check the email. Yes, so if I open my email, you can see that I have received that email. So Orbit AI agent, basically AI newsletter. So let's click on this Orbit AI daily AI newsletter, what subject I provided, and you can see that it has given me like the way I wanted, and it is telling me all this information, like these are the top stories, okay, and on all the latest news or the innovations, what actually happened recently, right? So that's how I built an AI agent. You can pick any use case of your own choice, but I would suggest that do not only watch this video, please practice yourself. It's very easy to implement, and as soon as you understand how simple it is, you would be going very good to build the complex applications. So just get started, get your hands dirty with it, and very soon you will also be able to build your first AI agent. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have done so, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. I post AI related videos every week, and if you want to learn with me AI, then please stay tuned. Take care. Bye.